Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the worst camera angles on YouTube, featuring your host, me. What's up? Shut the fuck up, my hair isn't greasy. I just got out of the shower, okay? I don't have a hair dryer. I'm not a fucking fancy schmancy rich person, crazy boy with hair dryers. Get off my case, man. I'm pretty excited. I got some new headphones in the mail, and I was like, I could open these, I could open them up and try them out and, have all the satisfaction myself, or I could share a little bit of love knowledge with the internet, unbox them, because for some reason that's a popular video. Dude, I love seeing shit become unboxed. I don't understand what it is. It's just like, it's very satisfying to me. It's like you get the experience opening stuff without having to spend your money. So, but I did spend my money, but you guys don't have to. You can just watch me unbox my stuff and, do it like that. So basically, about a couple months ago, my Alltech Lansings just fucking broke in half. They were really good, cheap wireless Bluetooth headphones. They had a great battery life on them. They sounded really good for the price. But the fucking band at the top here, it started to just gradually break over time. Eventually, they just snapped. And I got a trip coming up. I'm going to be on a plane for like 5 hours, man. And I'm like, I need some new headphones for this long-ass flight. I'm not going to be sitting there, doing human things, drawing, reading a book. No, that's not me. That's not who I am. I want to indulge in entertainment at all times. Now, I know what you're thinking. You say, Cash, you're such a fuckboy. Break out those new beats. I want to see the beats you got. Beats by Dre. I got something a little bit more neater. Amazon packaging, always a classic. I love the little Amazon smirk. That is the smirk that says, thanks to you, we've helped put millions of small businesses out on the street. Alright, so we're going to unbox this little bastard. Let's see what we got here. Imagine if they fucked my order up and it's like the wrong one. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's it. Looks like an empty box. Package. Envelope. Alright. Another bag. Not sponsored by Out the Front Knives, people. Okay. Oh, man. Oh. As you can see, these are the Sony MDR-V6 studio monitors. This is a iconic, classic, old-ass, classic-ass, headphone-ass thing here. This is what they use. Oh, my... Can I help you? Do you want something? No? Then fuck off. I'm making a viddy. Thanks for stopping by. I'm probably fucking up my focus. Anyways, these are a classic ass, beautiful ass pair of headphones here. This is what they use a lot of times in like studio monitoring. And I know you're thinking, man, Cash, you don't have to go fucking flexing on us like that. That's gotta be some crazy shit. No, actually, these weren't bad. I got these on Amazon for about 70 bucks, and the reviews on them had me fully convinced that these are the ones I wanted. On these headphones, what people are claiming is that these are not big old bass, look at my dick, fucking I drive that car, fucking suck my big old dick headphones. These are like crispy, very quality, check out that audio clip kind of headphones. These are for like the audiophile. Audiophile. I don't understand that term, the audiophile. This just sounds so fucking weird to me. It sounds like a serial killer who kills people with speakers. Whatever. People who like the fucking good sounds. That's what I'm all about. I can't stand it. I remember when I was a kid, I'd get in people's car and they pulled their fucking iPod Nano. They pirated a bunch of shit off like Pirate Bay. And they'd play a song and I'd be like, dude, the pitch on that song is like way higher than the original recording. They're like, no, it's not. I'm like, don't fucking fuck with me. I know that song. I've listened to it 100 times. That pitch is way fucked up. Or they listen to B-side and not know it. I'd be like, that's not the original recording. They'd be like, it's the same thing. No, it's not the same fucking thing. The bass on this one is so shit. Oh, you make me angry, boy. But yeah, these are for those kind of people. Those anal, cynical fuckboys who nobody likes to hang out with because they're shitty people. Studio monitor, stereo headphones, MDR. These are corded headphone. So if you're looking to get something for the gym or something, you know, that's, you don't have to have a cord with you. These are not for you. These are for people who really like to feel that fucking thunder in their head. What the fuck? What is this? Who made this? Jesus. Cheese and rice. Come on. I don't want to damage this pretty packaging, but fuck it. Well, fuck. Okay. So that kind of comes out like that. Alright. Oh man, look at that. That's so classy. There's like a nice little velvet liner for the packaging. Here's the headphones themselves. And you know, I've heard people say that they've gotten like 30 or 40 years out of these headphones. No joke. Not maybe this exact build quality, but people in the past. It just goes to show what a good headphone it is, because they've been making it since the fucking 80s, you know. So here's the headphones. You get a nice big old cord there. Yar. Look at that, nice headphone bag, soft case. This is some kind of little book, little reading book. You know, you can read that, you can burn it, you can send it to France. You can do whatever you want with it. It's your book now. You own it. As you can see here, this thing does adapt. So I'm not sure what this is called exactly, but I know that like this is what my guitar uses to plug in. So if you have an old stereo like I do, or guitar amps or anything, you can use these headphones to plug in and fuck it, you know, fuck it up. And then also, of course, you got the nice little jack for your standard bits. But look at the fucking build quality on that thing, man. That is some heavy duty shit. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging, to be completely honest with you. This is kind of fucked. Oh man, it makes me so nervous. I hate when they like tape up cords together, and the only way to get them out is to cut them, and you're like, well, if I fuck it up, I'm only cutting the cord. Goody. Alright, here they are. Look at that. Oh man. The only things I've heard that people don't really like about these is that the pads go bad after a while. But, you know, lucky for you, you can just buy new pads. Any other headphone, it's like the pads are fucked, you're fucked. These ones here, you know, you just replace them. Yeah, I think they have a really nice classic kind of look to them. That has like the red for right, blue for left. It's just got a nice little like Sony digital flare on it. Studio monitor up top. Padding. These are very soft. The ear muffs, but this headband up here is just kind of leather with a little bit of cushion in it. But yeah, they adjust like this. Oh man, there's like little notches on there. It's like ding 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 ding. You know, very cool. Oh man. Oh. Look at this. You can flip it. You know, you can DJ and shit. What's up, bitch? How you doing? You like Michael Keaton? I was born in the wrong generation. Wow, these are actually these are surprisingly muffling. Like it kind of feels like I have a pair of earmuffs on, like for mowing the yard or something. These are actually surprisingly pretty tight on my head and pretty canceling. So we'll do a little sound test now. I'm gonna test out some different genres and tell you guys what I think. I got my new phone here, the Pixel 3, and here's what I'm saying. Look, people have been asking me like, why didn't you get another iPhone, man? Here's the thing. Look at this. This is how much iPhone doesn't give a shit anymore. I'm sorry if you're an iPhone fan. I had an iPhone since I was like fucking 15, but this year I switched because I just didn't see the point anymore. They were just getting too expensive. I didn't like any of the new stuff. I went to the fucking store. I had my iPhone 7 and I picked up an iPhone 8 and I held them side by side. And I was like, what is the difference? Like, what is the difference? I don't see any differences. They're all the same to me. But look at this. This is an Apple dongle for your headphones. That's a Pixel dongle.
That's a fucking hungry man right there.
They just give so much more of a shit. Like, that's a nice quality built thing. This is a fucking little flimsy Chinese fucking piece of shit thing, you know? This is like, okay, we understand you're gonna be using this phone a lot. Here's some quality ingredients to go in that salad. Here's a fucking little bag of croutons that have been on the shelf for a year or two. Fucking rat turds in them. If you don't like it, you can go to Ponderosa. Put it in the bottom here. Oh man, look at that. Listen to that click. Oh. Alright, look at that fucking chord length. I could run to China and back on this thing. I'm excited, to say the least. How am I going to open this phone? Oh, look at that. There's a fucking touch sensor on the back. Boop! Oh, man. Bitch. Sophisticated. Okay, so, like I was reading online, I was completely prepared for this. Can you fuck off and stop messing with my stuff? Not for you. Not for you. Not your toy. That's my dongle. That's my dongle, buddy. Stop it. It's my dongle. Don't play with my dongle. Ooh, you touch my dongle. Ooh, that ding ding dong. As I was expecting, completely prepared for it, these headphones, compared to modern headphones, they sound flat. Like, everything just sounds kind of like mono and like flat. And I've heard that people don't get the best results from a mobile phone. They say if you plug it into like an actual audio machine or something much more advanced, then you'll get much better results. But what I do notice is with these here, they're not obnoxiously loud like most headphones are. You know, they just don't have like a super muddy bass that just distorts the entire song. That was Public Enemy. That's a pretty old song, so it's not a very overpowering song to begin with. What I can tell you is that you can hear every little instrument in there. Whereas sometimes when you listen to something on a bigger system, it just kind of muddies the rest of it. I had friends in school who had cars, and they would put these insane fucking subwoofers in them. And when you were in the car with them, and they played music, you couldn't even hear the lyrics or anything. All you could hear was the bass, and it just fucking shook the entire car. And that's kind of the same thing with headphones. If you have a headphone with very high bass, like Beats or something, then it may not, sound as good, but that sounded pretty fucking good. We'll listen to a more modern song. We'll listen to Sunflower by Post Malone. That came out last week, so it'll be much newer tech, and we'll see how that sounds on it. I don't think I can hear it. I'm listening to this on Spotify, okay? So just something to keep in mind. It's not going to be the best quality audio thing. And I have my preference set to loud volume as opposed to best quality volume. But, I mean, they're plenty loud. I mean, you can hear all the little details in the song. And it really, I mean, they are very nice headphones. I'm thoroughly impressed with these. And, you know, they're only $70, so it's like, you know, I'm not like, you know, it's not like I dropped $300 on these and was like, oh, I'll try some rock now. Because I feel like these are going to be really good with rock. Because they have just like such a nice crispy sound. I think that these are going to do extremely well. The cymbals on all the drums just come out very crisp. The guitars, you can hear the guitar, you can hear the bass. Like I said, on a lot of cheaper headphones and even more expensive headphones where they just crank the fucking settings up to get you the most like, wow, you know, kind of crazy feeling, that it kind of does lose some of the overall quality and like song in it. What the fuck are they thinking? What the fuck?
That looks suspiciously like an AK of some sort, doesn't it? Specifically, this one's an NPAP.
The build quality is top notch on these. I can tell, I've had cheap headphones in the past, and you can always kind of tell whenever they're shitty. But these ones here have the metal band that goes all the way around, and this is key too, is that they have this point of swivel here. A lot of headphones, they may go out like that far, But what that does is it creates unnecessary pressure on the band, and then it causes it to snap over time. I noticed on mine that they were on my head, but they were like this because my head was so big, and these earpieces couldn't move. So when you have these earpieces that can move and flex and do all kinds of other stuff, it takes a lot of tension off the headband. So I'm really expecting to see some longevity out of these. Just the overall fit on them, I mean, just listen to that. I mean, it's very, very responsive, very tight. They made these things really nice, and it's been a pretty proven design for a lot of years. They fold up too, you know, for easy transportation. Never mind. Well, actually, yeah, I guess they do. Yeah, sure. Fucking yeah, sure, man. However you want it. Yeah. Come with a nice little bag. The adapter for your big boy, crazy audio technical shit. Your guitars, your amps, your mixing equipment, your studio equipment. So yeah, these are very nice headphones for the price, guys. You're looking for something a little different. You have a couple different pairs of headphones. You want something for just chilling at home, listening to some music videos, something that's comfy on your head. These are a great pair of headphones to get, guys. So yeah, highly recommend them. Sony, I forgot the name already. MDR-V6. Amazon, $70 right now, free shipping. These came in like 2 days, by the way. I ordered them Monday and they got here Wednesday, so can't beat it. Nice quality cord. Everything else seems to be very up to par as far as quality goes. So yeah, guys, I'll see you around, and I'll, you know, if I bring these up in the future videos, I'll let you know how my plane ride went with them. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.